Hi everybody, I'm Nicholas. So this is a video to show you how Tomatina works so that you know before you arrive, and then when at the check-in I will just show you how to use it and we will try it. So let's get started. Tomatina is 50 years old, so it has no remote control. It's always keys, right? Every key has got different colors so that you know which one to use. So in that case that would be the yellow key. The Volkswagen keys have a side. You see that pointy part that always goes on the exterior of the door. So that would go here, like this, to open and close. All right? If you do it the other way, it won't open. Now, for that door here, this is the big key. You just open it. And then to open this door, you have to go all the way down. So if you do only this, nothing happens. And then you press all the way down and it starts to open. Super. Now, to actually close it, you don't go this way, you push it inside with the two hands, like this. That's it, it's done. Next, we have the fuel. The fuel is 95, if you don't remember, it will be written at the front, no problem. And it's the red key with the little red stick here. So we're gonna put that key here, and we're gonna turn left, and then move the metallic part on the left. Super. When you put it back, just make sure that those two little holes are aligned with those two holes as well here. Okay, that is right and right. Now we're moving at the back. There will be the yellow sticker to open everything, just so that you know at the top here is a solar panel, so it will charge as soon as there is sun. And you also, the motor is at the back here, and it's just like that here. And there's a big alternator that allows to charge as well when you drive. So the two source of energy is driving and the solar. All right, we're going to open at the back here. In terms of equipment, we have the shower tent here. We have the table at the bottom. This will be a bag with all the bed sheets, etc., pillows, everything needed to sleep, and towels if you needed some. Here you will find usually the spare wheel, but also there is a ventilator here inside this part. On the left part of the vehicle, right here, there's not much anymore because you don't. This used to be the electricity for the camping, but now you don't need it since we have the solar panel. And then here is the water. So it's water for the inside, for the sink inside. You can just use this key to open it. Okay, and put some more water.
Which one? Which key?
Oh, this key here. All right, now we're gonna move inside. Okay. The inside has got one light, which is here at the top. And that way I will show you the rest. Okay, so first things first. This is the fridge, obviously. So for this fridge, it is powered by the lithium battery that is right at the back. You're gonna turn it on, and here as well. There you go, and now it's turned on, and that you can power the fridge right here. Oh, and that's it. The fridge regulates itself. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to turn it off. Just leave it as it is. This lithium battery also allows you, of course, there's USB-C, there's 220, everything to charge your phones. All right. Here, on this side, you will find the sink and the towels and everything to wash. So first thing, to make the water run, you're gonna press the on button here. Up. Ah, it works. Now this water goes straight on the floor. Okay. So don't worry, it's not an oil leak, it's just a water leak, okay? Or it's just the water going down straight on the floor. Once you're finished, make sure to turn this off. That's it. Everything is more or less where you guess it is, right? So here you've got a cutting board, knives and forks are here. Here at the bottom, you're gonna find the plates, the glasses, everything is there. And here, the things to cook, pans and pots, and cleaning products at the bottom. Here in that second part, you've got a big tank of water which you can actually lift, and that's to take your shower outside. So this big tank, you can take it out and take your shower outside. What you do is you use this shower system. this little water pump right here goes inside the tank that we just showed. You put it into the water, you press this button here, and you'll be able, you connect this obviously, and you will be able to take your shower like this. That's pretty much how it goes. And you've got a cable. If it's running out of energy, you can just recharge it from there. If this is typically used to go to take out the sand, this is cold water, of course. If you really want to have hot water, you have to boil the water and mix it. But most people don't do that. Here, you will find the basic amenities. So you will have, for example, I'll show you one, but there's also coffee, tea, and etc. You've got olive oil, coffee. All the basic amenities for the first days are here. You will also have the gas stove, which is here, and gas cartridges to cook. If you don't know how to use it, let me know and I will send you a video about it. Now we're going on about the bed. So for the bed at the bottom, right here, I will show you how to deploy it. Lift this up, you've got 2 holes here, and you will just pull. It's just like a normal click lock, nothing special, and it will unfold completely. Actually, meanwhile we are here at the bottom, you will find 2 chairs for to sit, of course. Super. So this is one bed, but there's a second bed on top there, right there. So I will show you how to put that second bed and lift up the roof. Right here, you've got the handle. So we're gonna push down, pull out, and lift. By doing this, you'll be able to open the roof. Now you're gonna use this handle to finish the job. There you go. Make sure it's clicked like this, so that it's steady and sturdy. That little bed deploys like this. And of course here, no other choice. Put your feet here to go up. No problem, it's made for it. Don't worry about it. And then to take it out and put it down, just letting it go down and bringing the fabric back inside. That is it. Make sure to put the fabric at the back here as well. And you pull down. Now you're almost ready to go to bed. Well, my advice to go to bed is that you close this door from the outside. It's a little bit easier, and you will go inside from the door and close yourself. That little button here allows you to close yourself inside, and to open the door is this one, all the way up. Great, I think I have explained everything about the inside. You will find small things like here you're going to have toilet paper. I will try to give you the basics for the first day. So I think that's it. Alright, now we're going to go about the mechanics and how to drive this vehicle. So first you see a yellow sticker here, so the ignition key is the yellow one right there. And that pointy part goes on the left. Alright, oh, there you go. Superb, so I'm going to turn it a quarter up so that I can show you the lights. So first things first, everything is manual. The lights are here, 1 and 2, and now it's turning on there. Just a little tip, you can turn this, doesn't do anything. Alright, just so that you know, it doesn't do anything. Full beams are here, I'm pushing this upwards, and the indicators are here. Windscreen wipers on the right, nothing special there. Now, if you don't remember, fuel is written here, 95, 50 liters, that gives you around 425 kilometers. This car comes from Costa Rica, so it's in miles per hour. However, you will see the kilometers per hour in the small digits here. You will see stickers here. This is when to change the gears, second, third and fourth gear, and this is the maximum speed, around 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, great. Now, you see a little light here, this is the handbrake, so I will show you how the handbrakes work. Here is the handbrake. To take it out, don't put your hand below, up like this, and you're going to pull down on the outside. Now to put it on, it's much simpler, just pull, okay? Now, you could be like this and drive at 80 and not realize, so make sure before you drive that this light right here is off. that's what you should look at. If it's off, that's good, you can go. Now we are going to go about the gearbox. So gearbox is here, 4 gears. You can see it here. So the first gear is not on the left. It's only up. Up. Only up. 1. And the second gear down. Okay, there's nothing on the left, so it's just like this. You will do the first time, you will try to go on the left. Don't do that, just up and down. And then the third gear and fourth gear, you go all the way on the right, you tap it all the way at the extreme, and then you go 3 and 4 up and down, like this. That's how you go first, second, third, and fourth gear. Now, why is there nothing on the left? It's because it's the reverse gear here. So reverse gear go like this. You pull up that little circle here, up, left, and down. My little advice, when you reverse, keep your hand like this. You don't let it go, just keep your hand, it's just easier. Now to take out the reverse gear, you're gonna do the same. So this goes up, left, all up, and out. And you're on neutral when it does that. That's pretty much it. Now, how to start the car? When you're in the morning, you have a little ritual to do. The ritual is to send the fuel to the engine. So you go like this. 1, 2, that's it, nothing more. It's done. Now you can start the car. And again, that was just in the morning, that's it. I'm gonna press halfway and turn the key. That's it. In the morning, you have to warm up this old lady. So for 1 minute, you're gonna press the accelerator a little bit. You can hear it just a tiny bit, so it warms up for 1 minute. Meanwhile you do that, I do this, we'll explain you the rest. Here you've got a power bank for your phones, and a recharge, a USB speaker, and a light, which is also a charger as well, a power bank, sorry, for the evening, etc. The papers of the car will be right in front of you, inside here. There's a little book here where people have gone, and little tips, so you can go have a look. Okay. Now, GPS on your phone is here. This cannot be moved. It's the only place it sticks. So don't put it anywhere else. That's it. Now that this you can hear. Now it's perfectly warm, so all good. Now to drive, there are 4 tips that I can give you. The very first one is you play with the clutch at the beginning, of course, to balance, to start the engine. But then once you're in second and third, don't spend time on the clutch. You just go, I'm going to do it like this now, although I'm in neutral. Typically I would go in second or third. I would just go like in completely and out completely quite quickly. You don't have to play a lot with it. Also, to pass the gears, don't worry about pushing the motor quite a lot. It's okay, just push it a little bit and the gears are easier to pass. So you accelerate quite a bit before you do it. Now, the third advice is about when you are downshifting, you are arriving at traffic light, for example, you're in third gear, don't pass the second gear. It's got no point. The second gear is only at 5 miles per hour, so there's no point. You just go third, neutral, and you brake, basically. I never pass the second gear when I go down, FYI. And the last but not least, the indicators. It's like in motorbikes, they don't come back by themselves. So you're gonna be turning and they don't make much noise, so you will forget. So just make sure that you take them out every time. You put it on and take it out. I think that's it. Brakes, they are old systems, so you just have to press hard. I think I've explained everything. Obviously we've got the WhatsApp. If you need any information, we're here. This is just me on the vehicle, so make sure to take care of it as much as you can. I would really appreciate it. Clean it at the end, try to bring it back the same way. That will really help me out in my in this little venture. And enjoy your trip.
It's recording.
Okay, so a little added video about changing the gears. Okay. So on the first gear, of course, you play with the clutch, but you will see now in second and third gear, you actually play a lot less than you'd imagine. So you see here, I'm gonna fast third gear and out. It's very fast. You don't have to play much with it. If you do, you will actually more damage the clutch than anything. So just go in and out from second, third, and fourth gear. Okay, so that's a little advice. most people spend too much time on the clutch trying to take care of the vehicle, but it's the opposite. Now I will show you when you start when you start, you just play with the clutch a little bit. That's it. You can take this apart because this is not going to go. Oh, maybe it will go. Yeah. So here, yes, I go slowly, but like in any car, I play with the clutch. Second already, I play much less. Right. So just doing like that. And third gear now, I will pass it up, in and out, pretty much. That's it. That's good. I'm happy.